video. So today is going to be a pretty quick video. So one of my fellow subscribers, Shavonda, shout out to you, she said that a live while back, and I was like, I think I want to get an Apple Watch. I think I don't want to. Well, I got it. It's actually on my wrist right now. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to show you, but that's my thing. It says April. I was gonna say it's April. It's May 9th and it's 6:36 and I'm at 81% charge. So just to show you, it came in this box. I kind of messed up the box. This was the box, but this was in there. I kind of took it out. So it says Apple. I got the Apple Watch Series 3. I could have gotten the 4, but it was more money, and I was like, it's probably just something basic, a small basic difference. So I'm just gonna get the Watch Series 3. As you can see, it says Apple Watch Series 3, and I bought it from the Apple store. I didn't buy it from my AT&T provider. So in here was charger that I give it to you, and I'm going to get it to pretty much like your iPhone charger, but the difference is like a circle dot. And just to show you how it works, so I'm actually going to take off my Apple Watch to show you how it works, so and give you a better look. So this is the face of my Apple Watch. I hope you guys can see it because the light, but yeah, this is the back where the battery is. So what you do is you connect this. Once you put it, it's magnetic. You see it sticking and not coming off, and that's how you charge it. And you just plug this, and then you just plug this and you charge it. So to show you guys more in detail, so I got mine's I got the 42 millimeters case, which means this is the wider screen. It's asking me to put my passcode. This is the wider screen. They do have the I believe it's the 36, 32. That's a smaller screen case, and I got mine in space gray, aluminum, sport brand, and my sports brand is black. So the space grays is really on the sides. I don't know if you guys can really tell the difference, but yeah. So some of you guys are like, did you get a case for it? Because just like your phone, it could break. Because this was expensive. I believe I paid, it was like $389 when they added the tax to it. And I only have GPS on mine. Some of them come with GPS and cellular. I just got the GPS because I was like, I don't think I'm gonna use the cellular all the time. I use it on my phone and not all the time, so I just got GPS. But I honestly love it because, especially when I'm at work, you know, sometimes somebody might be texting me and it's very important or something, so it's good to have my Apple Watch next to me, because my Apple Watch will ding me and like, oh, you got a text message from this person, or you got the only I guess con would be like, you have to have your phone next to you, because when your phone is not next to you, see right now it doesn't say anything, but if my phone wasn't next to me, it would have like a phone crossed out sign, because it's not in close proximity to me for me to get my notifications. Overall, I love it so far, and it has all my apps and everything on it. So if you were ever wondering if you should purchase an Apple Watch, I think you should. I like it so far, and I'm still exploring all the other stuff that it has. I just got it like a week ago. So but thanks so much for watching.